Okay, so this is the recording for the the class exercise 2.4, which was the different string methods. So here they are written out. So we needed to do it's kind of slow. Alright. So here are all the ones we had to use. So if I just pull this up, you can see here, so we have to use char at, which is right here, the substrings, which are here and here. Then there's compare to, concatenate, equals, ignore case, index of, last index of, to lowercase, to uppercase, replace, the two substrings are already on top, and then the value of. So that one's done, and then for the second part, smaller. So we had to use capacity, length, replace, which is here, or right here also, and append. So now that that's done, it was already saved, so now we just have to run it on the CMD. So set path. So where the Java C is. And yep, right there. So copy that, paste it. Oh, not set path, set path. So set path equal to. Then there we go. So now change the directory to where it's saved, which is in here. Okay, so now to compile it, Java C string methods .java. Yep, no errors, so now we can just run it. So Java string methods. Okay, so from here it should give us all the correct outputs. So we have, so from looking on here, we can see the substring 4. It's just gonna give us the last 4 here, the new string, so the new word, and then it's going to print out the new word, then another substring starting from here ending at the 4th, so Levi, the character at 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's the A right there. But yeah, just pause it here. You can definitely go through it and see that all these match up. So just to make sure, I'm gonna run it on IntelliJ. It's all highlighted because I copied it just to put it on Notepad. So just we run it here, so we should be getting all the same outputs as before. So if we go here, we'll see that they're pretty much the same. So the first one's Tate, new word interrogate. Again, if you pause it here, you can probably just see how they're similar. Why don't we move this one? Let me just do this so we can pull up both side by side. Just to give you a look at the code here. So there's the beginning and down here until the end. So there's the string buffers and the string methods. Okay, so now just to have these side by side, that we can see that all these here match up. So yep, so Tate, interrogate, Levi, a -3, method false true, 4 and 5, interrogate, run Java run, the mirror, which all the R's were replaced with D's, another interrogate, then the trim, which was for my need space, the string capacities, the string length for the word electricity, there was the replace, and then the append, which was the electricity is shocking part. So, yep, that's it here. So just to look over the code one more time, this here is on IntelliJ. We just ran it here. All of them work fine. They work as they should. We'll just go to Notepad again just to look that over. Should be the same thing. Works fine, as we saw here with all the different outputs. And yeah, that was it for 2.4.